Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Hope that you all are well. Okay, so let's start today's class. Today, I will tell you how to do calculation in a table. Okay, this topic is from chapter 3, working with tables. Okay, so I'm going to share a table. Here it is. Okay, in this table, I have taken 3 columns, 1, 2, and 3 columns I have taken, and I have taken 4 7 rows. Okay, so I want to I want to find the sum of these quantities. Okay, I have inserted 3 items here and quantity is given in this third column. I want to calculate the sum of the quantities. What is the total number of quantities? So here I am writing total QTY. In short, I have written, okay, total quantity. Now, how to calculate the sum? Okay, basically MS Word is not for the calculation purpose. It is for the word processing purpose. We can make documents, edit document very easily. For calculation purpose, we have a spreadsheet, but basic calculations like sum we can perform here as well. So that I am going to show you. See, first of all, just place the cursor where you want to see the sum. Basically, we put the cursor in the same column where we want to calculate the numbers. Okay, so in the same column I am just moving this cursor in the last row. And now for calculating sum, first of all, click on the layout tab. Okay, click on the layout tab. Okay, after that click on this formula option. As you will click here, so a formula bar will appear. Okay, here you all can see a formula is already written here, equal sum, and then in brackets it is written above. What is the meaning of this above? Above means where your mouse cursor is, so the cells which are above, those numerical values will be added in the selected cell. Okay, so just click on OK. Now you all can see the sum is 57 here. Okay, now see what happens if I insert more items in the table. Now I am adding one more item, monitor. Okay, and I am adding quantity 5. Okay, I am adding quantity 5. Okay, I am adding 10 monitors. Okay, now see what happens. Now you have add more item and you have increased the quantity, but total is same. Okay, so now what you have to do, just press F9 key from your keyboard. Okay, actually to update the sum in your table, okay, what you have to do, you have to click on the F9 key in your keyboard. Okay, so as you will click on the F9 key, the sum will get updated automatically. Now you can see the sum is 67 here. Okay, so in this way you can update the sum in your table. Okay, you can also change the values if you want. Okay, now I am showing you that how you can increase the number of columns. How to add column I have already shown you, but here also I am going to show. And like, see, suppose after quantity I want to add one more column which will show the price. Okay, so I am writing insert column right hand side. You can see one new column is inserted with same number of rows. Here I am writing cost. Okay, total cost, like the cost of 2 printer is 10,000. Okay, and the cost of also is 5,000. This is 20,000 and last is 8,000. Okay, now what I want the sum of this all the cost, means I want to calculate the total cost. Okay, so now I'm just removing it QTY. Okay, because here we are calculating total of all the numerical values of cost. Okay, so I'm just placing my mouse pointer here, again clicking on the layout tab and clicking on this function formula. Now see what's happening here, it is giving left, but I don't want to calculate the values to left, I want to calculate the values which are above in the cell. So here again I have to write above. Okay, above. Now just press enter. You can see it has calculated all the prices of all the items. Okay, so in this way you can calculate sum in MS Word. Okay, for more calculations we can choose a spreadsheet software, we can work on MS Excel. Okay, so that's all in this chapter. Okay, and exercise and question answers we have already completed. So that's all for today. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.